In this video, we're unboxing the Smart LTE Pocket Wi-Fi, which claims it can reach speeds of up to 100 Mbps. Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Marz. If you're looking for a fast and affordable internet solution, stick around as we unbox and review the Smart LTE Pocket Wi-Fi. Out of the box, the Smart Pro LTE Advanced Pocket Wi-Fi Prepaid Kit comes with a Wi-Fi device, its 3250 mAh battery, a manual, a micro USB charging cable, and a 5G ready SIM. The device retails for 1,995 pesos and comes with free 15 GB of data that's valid for 15 days. A lot of people have been scrambling to get a fixed line broadband subscription at home. With the increased demand and reduced manpower across most telcos, it's nearly impossible to get technicians to set up new lines for new subscribers. One solution many people have tried is buy mobile broadband kits, which Marz has plenty of. The new and improved Smart LTE Pocket Wi-Fi has several features that the previous one doesn't. This new version can connect up to 10 devices at any given time versus the previous one that can only connect 5. The device's body is made from plastic with a matte finish. On the top side of the device are two buttons along with a micro USB port for charging, and it has a transparent plastic cover that protects its screen from scratches. The LCD display on the Pocket Wi-Fi is basic. It gives you the information you need at a glance, such as the overall signal strength, the network you're on, how many devices are connected, notifications for text messages, battery life, and the SIM card's number, so you don't need to scramble for this information when you reload your credits. The dual band feature can support either 2.4 and 5 GHz bands. The biggest change on this Pocket Wi-Fi is its use of carrier aggregation technology, which raises the theoretical maximum speed limit to 100 Mbps versus the 42 Mbps of the previous version. However, that doesn't mean that you'll always get 100 Mbps speed. What it does mean is that if the heavens align, you will get that speed. Maybe. Setting up the Pocket Wi-Fi is relatively easy because it comes with a pre-cut 5G ready SIM. To set it up, you simply have to open the back cover of the device, unlock the micro SIM slot, and put the micro SIM in. Make sure it's locked in place and put the battery in. Lastly, replace the back cover, and now we're ready to give this device a test run. That being said, let's take a look at the speed. When I first tried the device, the initial speed test results were quite high compared to when I filmed this video. I conducted the speed test a few more times to see if the speed would improve, and this is the fastest average speed I got with two devices connected. Take note that these speed tests were done in the Quezon City area near Trinoma in a typical residential bungalow. A lot of factors come into play when you're using a Pocket Wi-Fi device. We recommend you going around the house to check for signal strength. I find that the speed the Pocket Wi-Fi offers is definitely usable. I tried streaming 1080p videos on two devices and it streamed perfectly without lag. Reloading the Pocket Wi-Fi is easy since there are different ways for you to do so. You just need to find which one is most convenient. I tried reloading the Pocket Wi-Fi with a prepaid card. For this, you can use your number or any smart number. The device screen should show you that you received an SMS confirming that you have reloaded successfully. Another way for you to check your balance is by linking your Smart Bro number to your My Smart app. Apart from checking your balance, the app lets you purchase Smart Prepaid promos from the Smart website, which you can pay using your credit card. Alternatively, if you use a mobile banking app like Hello Money, you can buy your load from there. Your balance and Pocket Wi-Fi settings can be managed online by visiting smartbrosettings.net. On the website, you can read messages sent to your number's device and fix settings such as your password and device name. To wrap things up, using a Pocket Wi-Fi may be far from the best solution. But if you absolutely can't get a broadband line installed given your building infrastructure, or maybe you're not Liza Soberano, then getting Smart's Pocket Wi-Fi is the next best thing. And there you have it, folks, the Smart LTE Advanced Pocket Wi-Fi. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you really liked it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And that's all for me for today, folks. My name is Marz, and I'll see you again on this channel.